Hello, hey, what's up, you all? Welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Me here, I'm great. I'm grateful to God for the gift of life. I'm okay. My family is okay. We are all okay. Thanking God for that. Yeah, it's good to every day when we wake up appreciate God. Say God, thank you for making me see the light of another day. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for my subscribers. Thank you so much. God bless you for your continuous support. For you continuing subscribing to my channel every day means a lot to me. May God bless you, bless you. Also, but if you hear the noise, my son is watching the cartoons. Please, my son is watching the cartoons. Don't worry about that. If you come across this channel and you haven't yet subscribed, hey, and you haven't yet subscribed, just take 1 second of your time and subscribe, okay? Subscribe. And as for my returning subscribers, may God bless you abundantly for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Meanwhile, today's video is another day with me at home, folding clothes. Let me show you the clothes that we are going to fold. Hey, there are many. Let me take a look at that. I washed yesterday but one, and they are dry. I just folded them yesterday. I just picked them today. I got that they're dry. So we even have the baby's suitcase here to arrange. That is my work for today. I'm going to be arranging this suitcase for the baby first. I want to arrange it very well. I want the jackets to be on their own. Yes, I want the jackets to be on their own. And the trousers also on their own. That is what I'm going to do everything. Like I arrange that lot sometimes, but sometimes when you're in a hurry, you rush to do some of the things. Like when you're in a hurry, you find that you pick clothes quickly, you mess up the baby's case. Me, I love separating everything. I love trousers on the outside. I love trousers on the outside, socks on the outside, so that I don't look for things when I look for something. So I noticed of recent, my baby's case is just a mess. My baby's clothes are just a mess. So I have to arrange it and also pick the clothes that he doesn't wear again. Put aside. Yes. So kindly subscribe, share, like, and comment if you haven't subscribed. If you haven't yet subscribed, I think you'll wear this one. You'll still wear it. You'll still wear it. Now these ones, they are coming small for him. The stock is used to wear when he was small. So I'm going to remove it from these clothes. And also this one is small. They have become small. Telling you my boy now is a tall boy, a big boy. Even this one is small for him. Okay, go. Sawa. I think I'm doing. See when this one is small. Watch out for that. Watch out. Can you imagine all of these? There are 4 of them. They are all left. They are all small now. We are arranging. So I'm arranging from the. I'm arranging the jackets only on their own. Putting the jackets on their own. Everything different. Then you can see these are the sweaters this side, and then the trousers that you'll be wearing at home this side. Yes, I want to arrange even hizi mango za safari. Inataka kizogaza safari. Maybe for the church. These ones. Yeah, for the church. I'm putting them aside. Anything that he wears when we are going anywhere, putting it aside. Yes. So that it will be easy. Actually, that is how I love. That is how I love to. That's how I love to do my things. To arrange clothes, even ours. That is how I love to arrange. But then, and then mostly our clothes. Mostly for my husband. You arrange it today. Tomorrow, to look like you did not arrange anything. Oh my. This. However, I still love it. This boy must wear it. Actually, he has not worn it for long, and he must wear it by force by fire. He must go. Even this one, I think it has become a short something because the boy is tall already. Yeah, my boy is a tall boy, and even this one, one day he must wear. But I think I'll keep this one because there are many clothes that my son is not wearing. So you can see here, I've decided to put here everything: the handkerchiefs for the baby, the copias, the socks, so that it can be easy to just pick it when you're in a hurry. Like sometimes you can be so in a hurry and then you go ahead looking for something, you're not finding it. It is really frustrating. So let's pack it there. So for this one, it's actually a suit. This is a suit, but for now you'll not fit him. It's tall, it's big, but very soon, akifikisha 4 years, you will wear this, and I really love it. So this is the suit of that trouser, and also this one. I actually have 2 of these. Like there are three of this one. If you can remember the chain of these clothes. So I bought one which was fitting a boy, and then this father bought actually 2, but then the 2 they were not fitting, and they have to wait until this is the one I bought. Can you see that? It's actually fitting the boy. But then the one the father bought, they are bigger. I'll show you. Hey, this is the one. Then the father bought is here as a Christmas gift, but it's big. Even a people 3 years or 4 years or 5 years can even wear it. Yeah, but no problem. We'll keep it here. Yeah, we'll keep it because you know why? Do you know why? The boy is growing. Well, finally, guys, we are done. You can see we have arranged everything here. You can see here there's some sweaters, trousers, the one you can wear at home. Here are actually the church or anywhere clothes, safari clothes. Well, safari clothes, and then socks. My son actually has even a childhood like actually I'm to son when he was breastfeeding, when he was a little baby, even up to now. I keep them here. So we are done. We are done for the baby, and then all of this. My son is not wearing again. They have become very small for him. So they have become very small. You can see all of this. Like, I don't know where we leave these clothes, but they're still new, and maybe I'll keep them. You never know. So I'm done for my baby's clothes. I'm done. Yes, at least now the case is looking organized. When you just open, you pick what you want. Then, before it was just monogamy, like monogamy. Oh, monogamy. So my baby's clothes are now organized. Ready for the next. Now, let's fold our clothes. The one I just out from the one I washed the present. Let's fold them now. They are dry actually. Tell me how you fold your clothes. Me, I normally fold clothes without turning outside inside or outside down. I normally fold like that. Because reason why is because if you fold if I to actually avoid the gummy, to avoid dust. Yes, it's to avoid the dust. Yes. That's why I fold my clothes like that. Fold them, fold them, fold them, fold them, I fold them. Here, you might be thinking, yes, Susan, why is it you don't iron the clothes? I don't have iron. I don't have, even if I was having, I can't stand that ironing. I can't. I can't stand the ironing. My dress was actually, I wore it on Sunday. Ooh, 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 ooh. But at least I washed. That's I had a lot of clothes. I was actually wondering, who wore all these clothes to this extent? It become too dirty. Like the basket was full. Then I remembered I didn't wash on another day of the week. Yes. By the way, tell me, do you like ironing your clothes? Every wash of it, every time you wash your clothes. Every time you wash your clothes, do you? Where? Do you wash them every time? What was I even saying? I was saying, do you love? Actually, this is how I love to fold the t-shirts because I can do another way. I actually know the other way of folding, but I'm saying it is. I see this one as the easiest way, so just like that. Yes, that is how I love to fold the t-shirts. It's just very easy. Than the other one that you can just place it on the table or on a safe, fold the other side, fold the other side. I'm saying that one is taking a lot of time, but I prefer this one. It's just very easy. I prefer that one. I remember actually the way my mom used to fold the t-shirts for her dad, so that is how she used to fold. And then the time when I was working in a hotel, when we were folding clothes for customers, when they have customers, and when the customers' clothes are washed, so that is how they told us to fold the t-shirts. Oh yeah. Yes, maybe you can tell me how you normally fold your t-shirts. Let's share how you fold your t-shirts. Watch me fold mine. You can see it's straight like that. Straight. So I just fold it like that. Fold it like that. Again. And then put these hands inside like that. Oh yeah. Like that. Boom. Then we're good to go. Like that. As simple as that. As simple as that. It isn't that hard. Nini? Ana kwambia ingia hapo kwa kitu utafute. By the way, how is yes, Yako? How's the man taking you? Today is date 5, the 5th of Wednesday, Tisa. Yes. How is the man taking you guys? These are the towels for my baby. Since he was born, he has been using these towels. Yes, Yako, they are big. Yes, I actually have 2 of them. And I'm really happy I bought the big ones. By that time I wanted to buy the small ones. Something told me to buy the big ones. Yes, I don't know. I should have started another shopping for the towels. But these 2 are still serving. I bought many of them. Even this one is still a towel for the boy. Yeah. By the way, are you yet subscribed to the channel? What are you doing to subscribe to the channel? Subscribe if you haven't. Share, like, and comment. So let's arrange them. With this one, actually, for the ones that are not fitting the boy, I want to keep them far away. I want to keep them far away. Sema far away. Dede, sema far away. Kwani yenye iko kwa TV ni nini? Si manki. Oh no. Let's arrange them. Itafanya. For now, actually, I'm not going to arrange our mini wardrobe. I'll be arranging our mini wardrobe tomorrow or tomorrow next. Because when to arrange this one, I was actually singing. Oh, I have to arrange the baby's thing. Oh, I have to arrange. So it was really really hard. So guys, that is all for today. we na wewe. That's all for today. We are done ranging for the baby, and that's all for today. Kindly subscribe if you haven't yet. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for supporting. Thank you so much. Go and sit there. See you. Bye bye. Abia bye.
Bye.
See you on the next video. Bye.
Bye.
Abia mwah.
Nah.